Hi guys, so this video is going to be a Snapchat Q&A video. Let me just do this real quick. Good morning everybody. So I'll be filming my Snapchat Q&A video today. There you are on the camera. Alright, so let's just go into these questions. I had told them days ago that if they I'll be filming another Snapchat Q&A, so they should get their snaps in. So hopefully it got to as many people as possible.
And even now, if this little guy have like a cold.
Alright, so KLA 2419 says, although we are in 2016, do you have or have ever received any criticism from your church members or the Christian community about as a whole about your piercing and face beat? PS, can you be any prettier? LOL. Alright, so KLA 2419 says, basically if I get any crap from the Christian community about my piercings and my makeup. Well, honestly, no. Hold on. I'm going to tell her to answer her question. Hi boo, I'm answering your question no, and this video will be live not this Sunday but the following Sunday. Right, so I don't, I guess because of who I am too, because my family, okay, so you have two branches, right? You have the Kingston branch and you have the Portmore branch. For the two branches, my family is well known. Like my mommy was a usher for the Kingston branch, so she's well known because of that. And she's now the praise and worship leader for the Portmore branch. My brother does sound for the Portmore branch. So and then I was on worship even before the piercings, even before everything, at Kingston branch and at Portmore branch. So everybody knows me, everybody knows Simone and what Simone is capable of. Of course I got some raised eyebrows, and you know there was some chatter that wasn't made hold on, I'm fixing my little bow thingy. Yeah, there was some chatter that I wasn't made privy to, just, you know, people attack. So yeah, of course there were people who didn't agree, but nobody came to me except my mommy and my grandmother and my brother that came to me and go, John Star, I don't think that you should have. It's just, oh God, you are going to hell for what you've done in your life. It's just wrong. So I've only gotten that from my close family, from my family, you know, my close-knit family, not from people who just know me or just see me at church. So yes and no. Alright, alright, so that was from KLA 2419. So next is Sexy Diva. Oh, she just said thanks, hon. Mr. Sterling Sheen says, aww. Alright, Caddy says, bye, mommy. Alright, so ready for my pics? Where do I see myself in the next 5 years? Okay, but I'm answering a question now on YouTube, and it will be live not this Sunday but the other Sunday. Where do I see myself in the next 5 years? In the next 5 years, I see myself in a different price range. I see myself in I don't know about my luxury car, because my luxury car is a Mercedes-Benz, a white Mercedes-Benz with leather, like beige leather interior. So I don't know if I see myself in my white Mercedes. You know what? Yeah, yes, 5 years and I'm a good proper white Benz with beige interior. And my, like, Jermaine and I would just like go to trips like once a year or twice for the year, like go on cruises and like go to Pelly. I'm a dreamer at heart. I think so big, and I guess because God said I can do more than you can ever ask or imagine or ever think, but I think so huge. I'm like, bruh, why? But yeah, just us going on cruises, of course with Jonathan and with Harmony, you know, our daughter by then, because yes, one more at home, don't get it twisted. Yeah, and I don't really have more children, but you know, us with just the family together. And I also see like our extended family, like Jermaine's side and my side, going out together, like going to hotels. For my company, I see us in Sephora, at Ulta. I see me ordering thousands upon hundreds and thousands of products. I see myself going to the different places in the world to actually be a part of the team to create my own products, to create my very own like stuff that I'll be selling. Probably I won't be selling brushes and lashes, maybe I'll be going into other stuff, maybe I'll be formulating. I see myself doing like branding, tech off. I see myself hosting seminars here in Jamaica and worldwide, and people want my seminars. I see myself selling out a mega huge ballroom that can fit like 500 people, and I see myself selling out classes and sessions for that. I see my school, my makeup school, that I don't know if it'll be located here in Jamaica, in the US, or in the Caribbean, but I see that. I see me replicating me in a good way for makeup. I see my songs are on iTunes. I see myself doing shoots for different brands that I'll be coming up with. I see myself taking like family portraits for like Christmases and Valentine's, and you know, I see that's what I see for the next. Girl, you got me all her dreaming, bubble. But yeah, that's what I see myself for the next 5 years. Boo. Oh no, not voice control, bruh. I'm trying to open you up, boo. So that was a good question. So Miss. Oh, tutorial. Okay. Yes, boo. I already filmed it, so it'll be up either this week or next week, or it's probably up today. I think. I don't know. Check it.
Yes, boo. I already.
All right. So. This is summer_summer. What products can I use from not sweating off or under my makeup? Even during putting on makeup, I start sweating. What can I do to control the sweating? Well, oh, just lost my breath. Well, for makeup, oh god, here we go. Okay, for makeup, I don't recommend people stopping the sweat. I don't, but what you can do is search. Oh, let me tell that I'm answering her question. Alright, honey, I am answering question now on YouTube, but it'll be live not this Sunday but the following Sunday. There you are. Where are you? There you are. See my phone? See my phone? Yeah, I don't necessarily recommend that. So what I do recommend though is you research, because there are antiperspirant makeup, there are antiperspirant primers. Just Google antiperspirant primers and then look at the reviews and see if it works for you. But I've never used any. I've never had to use any. I've never used any on any clients. But yeah. So Perfect section 876 says, what device can you give? What advice can you give to like teenagers who are interested in being a makeup artist? P.S. You are really good. Oh, role model. Oh, sweetie. Hi honey, I'm actually LyricRochester now, actually on YouTube, but this video won't be live. No, it will be live not this Sunday but the other Sunday. What advice can I give to people, to young people who want to be makeup artists? I say go for it, and I always tell people start a YouTube channel. Now when you start a YouTube channel, it's not about the views, it's not about how much money you make, it's not about how much sponsors you get. You starting a YouTube channel is strictly for you, and how to prepare you for clients, and how to prepare you for customers, and how to get you comfortable with people interaction, and also how to market yourself. YouTube will teach you how to market yourself, how to present yourself. Y'all know I'm a real girl, so I get on here with like if I'm doing my makeup, like if I'm moving from no makeup to full makeup, my hair is off. I got my braids, my hair just hang down, and my kitchen just you know. After doing this for what, 6-7 years, I've grown so accustomed to the camera that whenever I see you guys know, it's like, oh my god, goodie. Hello, goodie. I am just as I am on camera as I am in person, and that's mainly attributed to two things. Youth Reaching Youth. I went to Youth Reaching Youth for about 4 years, 3 or 4 years, and once a Youth Reaching Youth, once a YRY member, always a YRY member. Once a YRY, always a YRY. YRY means Youth Reaching Youth, and it's a Ministry of Soul. It is a ministry of Solarfield Chapel, and our mother, it's gonna sound like a cult, but it's not a cult. but our mother, Angela Plunkett, Auntie P, Mama P, she's the one that runs it, and God gave her the vision, and it has been blowing up big ever since. It's amazing just to go back and see the new people who come to YRY, and like when Andrew did them, I said, yo, Andrew, remember say with the start of it, everything, and Astro and Jesse. Oh damn it, now I'm nostalgic. And Brown, I miss Brown, and I'm really miss Brown. Because anytime I go over, I'm gonna see Brown. I always say Andrew, I'm gonna see Brown. But yeah, and with youth reaching youth, you do your CAPE subjects there. So if you didn't have any chance to get subjects in high school, that's an avenue to do it, and it's a wholesome environment. I'm going to say we a lot because I'm still a part of YRY. I don't care what anybody says. And we go to different mercy institutions like Father Holong and Sisters of Charity, and we feed the less fortunate, and we take care of them. We clean them, we bathe them, we sing to them, we comb their hair, we clean their wounds, you know, play dominoes with them. It's just, and I think that's on every Friday, and it's just an amazing family to be a part of, an amazing family to be a part of. And whenever Auntie P calls me for anything at all, I am there. She's a mother to me. I am there. I'm not gonna charge nobody nothing. If you know Mama P and you want to lyric this song, if Mama B asks me, may I do it? I'm gonna say, Auntie, how much you give me? I'll never do that. That's disrespect as far as I'm concerned. Oh God. So youth reaching youth really helped me to overcome, to help me to learn how to speak in public, through life skills that we do in schools. Also doing YouTube for so long, for so many years, it also kind of thickened me up a bit, teaching you how to respond to people, because sometimes you do need to respond, and how not to respond, because sometimes you don't have to respond at all. Wow, that's interesting. Yeah, so yeah, I think I went off on a tangent. I'm sorry. I'm talking for 12 minutes. I'm sorry. Okay, so Leah Leslie says, hey Lyric, how long does it usually take to get a full face on a client? Full face, 25 minutes to half an hour. Full face, 25 minutes to half an hour. Full face, lashes, contouring, everything, full face. Full everyday face, like full everyday face. But if you're talking eyeshadow and different works in there and lines and rhinestones, 45 minutes at most, but generally 25 minutes to half an hour. And it also depends on the face. I am Lady T says,
thank you so much. I keep trying and I'm failing, but I appreciate it. It's so shocking that you responded.
People always get shocked and respond on like Snapchat. I do, you're on Snapchat, it's like right there, I have to respond. I can't read and not responding. That's so rude. Even though sometimes I do, because people on Snapchat have no chill. Like this one girl was cussing me about shit me, and I'm like, boo. Yeah, she had asked me a question and I answered her, so she just said me thank you. Ambitious Woman 1 says, girl, no, she says, hey girl, which powder do you use? It looks flawless, keep it up. Oh, okay, I think she was talking, hi boo, I'm actually filming now, but I think you're referring to a look that I had on the day that I filmed this, and I filmed a makeup tutorial, so you'll know in the makeup tutorial. Which, by the way guys, I'm trying this new nose highlight thing, and I am not mad at it at all. I'm not even upset. I'm not even mad. I'm not mad at it. So Manny Burns says,
this is my Snapchat Q&A. I already asked the question, but I guess you're gonna see it when you watch this one.
what was the question? What was the boo, what was the question? Because I'm filming right now, but I don't know what question you're talking about. What was the question? Sash_Jabita says, what's your favorite TV series? Hi boo, I'm answering a question on YouTube. It won't be live this Sunday, but the following Sunday. There you are. There you am. Here am I. Oh, phone nearly dropped. Okay. I don't have a favorite TV series anymore. I used to watch Flash. I watched the entire season of Flash. I used to watch Game of Thrones. I used to watch Gotham. I don't have a favorite anymore. I go through seasons, and I used to watch Supernatural, but I stopped because it got too scary. I was like, I'm out. But yeah, am I in focus? Okay. Alright, Trendy Mingly says,
just want to say that I'm a big fan of your work, and I just want to know how do you get your makeup to stay so fleeky and such a hot country.
oh, how do I get to make my makeup sound so fleeky? I really love your accent. It's so, I love it. I try to do it sometimes, but I fall short. So I'm answering a question now on YouTube. It'll be live Sunday.
I really.
Okay, all my makeup style also just off flaky. It's how let me tell you, it's how, see, if you watch my makeup tutorial start to finish, that's how I apply my makeup start to finish. I don't know if that makes sense, but a lot of people swipe, like swirl and like swipe. I don't. If you notice my videos, everything I push into my skin, push into my skin, push into my skin, push into my skin. That's all I can say. I just push it into my skin. That's all. I just push in my skin. That's all I can say. Nice eyes, yes, because I did this look. Not sure if you can see. Hopefully I can zoom in. I can remember to zoom in. Did this look, and yes, Lavania.
One good girl that I'm coming to say. Anyway, look on this. I said do something like this morning, so I didn't try. I tried.
Lavanya is my girl. She's my girl. Lavanya, due to the whole of YouTube just said to me a while ago, and due to it's not gonna go live this Sunday, but due to it's gonna go live the following Sunday, so YouTube just say face good girl. Oh, I have, I'm gonna break this up into 2, so I have more Snapchat Q&A. No, just do one thing. Okay. Always Sophie says,
Hi, Lyric. My question is you plan on having any more kids, or is Jonathan your one and only interest? Hey guys, I just wanted to say that I love your videos, and I'm coming to Jamaica in July, so I hope I can see you maybe. I don't know.
okay, but I'm answering a question now on YouTube. It won't be live this Sunday, but the following Sunday. Yes, when you do get to Jamaica, please email me, lyricmua@hotmail.com. When you get here, though, not before, come back and forget. When you get here, hold on, so that we can link up and probably go have some lunch. I'll go buy patty and box juice, some fries and such things.
So that
a lot of you guys said that you want to come to Jamaica. When you come to Jamaica, you want to meet me. Just email me, Lyric. I am one of your subscribers, and if I can, I will. I've done it before. If I can, I will. Like my girl Lady Clark is coming out here in like soon, and I'm like, girl, of course we're gonna meet. What are you saying? And bring a camera, lady. Bring it. Or maybe film a tutorial at my house. Bring a camera. Sure, right. So Jerry says, oh, this is beautiful. Oh, she's responding to the same makeup. Do you have any more one-on-one class this week? Actually, oh, hold on. Yes, I have one-on-one classes this week. I'm full out to this week that I'm saying this snap, but I'm available next week for the 4 days, Monday to Thursday. So email me classes@LyricRochester.com. Yes, I have one-on-one classes this week. I'm full out to this week that I'm saying this snap, but I'm available next week for the 4 days, Monday to Thursday. So email me classes@LyricRochester. Damn it! Yes, classes@LyricRochester.com. Dang it! Send. Oh my god, it's gonna crash. Look it. It's nothing. Hi. Me? Yeah, Marco. Look, it's not even going. What is? It's not. Nothing is happening. Alright, so Victorious Viv says, if anyone likes, oh, this is my mother, by the way, Victorious Viv. Yeah, she's on Snapchat. My mom. I don't mind. I love my mom. So Rochelle Carty U. Rochelle _Carty U. Okay. Alright, it's loading. So I'm going to move on to Isaken. Hold on. Makeup on fleek. Okay. Nisha M girl, she just sent me a link. Jonathan hasn't been feeling good, and I've been Snapchatting about it. So a lot of you guys are saying, oh, I hope he gets better soon. I hope he gets better soon. Hey, I love your. Oh, so Fatou 411 FATOU 411 says, Hey, loving makeup, always on point. Name from UK, by the way. My question is, what do you think you can try to achieve this year that I didn't achieve last year? I hope you get to answer my question. That I didn't try last year. Let me take one picture. That I didn't try last year. Hi, boo, I'm answering a question right now on YouTube. It won't be live this Sunday, but it will be live the following Sunday. Yeah, what I didn't try last year, I just, for my relationship with God to be like ironclad, like strong. Because I tell you guys, I'm gonna have to dress back. Yeah, that I want that my relationship with God has to be ironclad, and also I just want my company to be where it is, as I told you guys before, you know, where we can just do more for the company. I want to be able to help out my family more, you know, in areas that I'm sure you guys are familiar with what I'm talking about, and to do hauls, and I just want my YouTube channel to be exciting, because sometimes I get bored with it, at the same thing over and over, and I get bored. So yeah, but that's more like for me though. Hold on. Oh, here's Rochelle Carty. That was too cute. By the way, that was all on YouTube. It will be live not this Sunday but the following Sunday. Too cute. Too cute. Alright, Styling Grace says, oh, tap to view, sorry. I don't know what that was, boo. So Sinara My Bae says,
okay, I am going to Mac at 3 o'clock to try to apply for this job.
oh my god, let me ask her. Boo, I'm just seeing your snap. Did you get it? Diamond Diva J says,
Hi, Lyric Pooh. How you doing, Boo? I haven't talked to you in a couple of weeks. I just want to touch back and say hi, Jonathan. Hi, the husband.
Boo, your face is beat. It is snatched. Yes, I love your face. I love your hair. You're looking really gorgeous. I'm filming, by the way, my question and answer.
Boo, your
Face is beat, man. So Renee says, oh, I love you, boo, catching up on the vid. Oh, she's watching my video. Thanks, Bill. Thanks, honey. I'm actually filming. You can see me right there. Alright, one more. Keisha P. Well, I think I got this morning. Keisha P. Oh, it says loading. Oh, tap to view. Okay, hold on.
Snapchatters.
Hold on. I don't think this was meant for me. I think she just, like she said, hey Snapchatters and not hey Lyric. So I don't think that's for me. Miss J. Lou says, that's the radio. That's the radio CD. Oh my god. That was a radio, or was that CD? Oh, by the way, I watched the thing where my song was playing. You're all I want. Radio or CD, boo? Let me know. One more. My 3 lucky charms.
And that beauty is Kalia. I'm gonna leave you alone now. Well, remember, I love the raw and uncut. I love the raw and uncut Christian lyric. Love it. Don't change. I'm trying to be like you.
No.
Scared.
No. Thanks, mama. Thank you so much. No, don't try to be like me. No. This life is hard, girl. But yeah, thank you so much, boo. And hey to you, princess. So that is it for the Snapchat Q&A. My Snapchat is LyricRochester. I'll be doing one more of these about couple days from now, but you wouldn't know. So if you follow me on Snapchat, then you'll see like 2 days from now that I'll be saying to you, send me Snapchat Q&As again, and we'll be making this video again. So I'll talk to you guys in the next video, and I love you, support.